Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to draw this 3D sketch. First of all, click on the file button and choose the new file and click OK. Now click on the sketch button and choose the plane and click OK. This is your 2D representation of 3D part. First of all, draw one line. Right click on your mouse and convert this line to reference. Now draw the half portion of this sketch. Now dimension it. This is 100. This is 90. It is 40 and it is 50. Now you have to flip these three corners with the radius 10. You assign the value of radius 10 and click on the three corners. Now you have to fillet this corner with radius 15. Close the fillet tool. Now you have to draw one circle with the diameter 15. Now click on the down arrow button and choose the mirror curve. You have to choose the curve. Now choose the center line. Your sketch is drawn. Now choose the extrude tool and click OK. You can hide the sketch and the coordinates by clicking on the hide tool in the view section. Your 3D sketch is generated. Thank you for watching and never forget to like and share our video and subscribe our channel.